Welcome to our channel. If you have TSA PreCheck and want to add it to your airline ticket for expedited security screening, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your known traveler number is included. Step 1. Log into the airline's website or open the airline's mobile app using your booking confirmation code and last name. Step 2. Navigate to the Manage Booking or My Trips section to view your flight details. Step 3. Select the flight you want to update with your TSA PreCheck information. Step 4. Look for an option to add traveler information or edit passenger details. Step 5. Enter your known traveler number in the designated field. Your KTN is a unique number provided when you enroll in TSA PreCheck. Step 6. Save the changes to update your booking with your TSA PreCheck information. Step 7. Print your boarding pass or access it on your mobile device. Check that TSA PreCheck or TSA Pre is printed on your boarding pass. Step 8. At the airport, use the TSA PreCheck lane for faster security screening. Enjoy the expedited process without removing shoes, belts, or laptops. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.